srsly, and today I just want to tell you something about a new secret in the Super Mario Bros. Plumbing website. As you know, the website is full of secrets and stuff. Like this. I'll turn it up. As I said, like that. And also this. But there's also this special one in here. You see, if you click on the broken image, it'll say error 404, looks like something is broken, and there'll be these three pipes. If you click on this pipe, and this pipe, and this pipe, it plays that! It'll play the first part of the Mario movie theme song thing. Basically, it's the song that plays whenever we're looking at festivals and stuff dedicated to the Mario movie. But here's the thing. If we do it in reverse, Mario jumps to the pipe and he plays this. Mario jumps out of the middle pipe and it plays the second part of the theme of the music. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to tell you guys about. I'm not sure if this was always there from the first one or it was just added, but I don't know. Anyways, that's all. So see ya.